Let's dive into the intricate world of salmon production, where the stakes are high and the quality is paramount. It's a journey where precision and tradition merge to create something truly extraordinary. So, how do they do it? The journey of producing high-quality salmon begins with selecting the best fish. This crucial step sets the foundation for the entire process, as the quality of the final product relies heavily on the initial selection. Producers have a choice between Atlantic salmon, renowned for its consistent quality and mild flavor, and Pacific varieties like sockeye, coho, and king salmon, each offering unique and distinct flavors and textures. Atlantic salmon is often favored for its rich, fatty texture and uniform taste, making it a popular choice for a wide range of products. On the other hand, Pacific salmon varieties bring their own set of characteristics. Sockeye salmon is known for its deep red flesh and robust flavor. Coho salmon offers a more delicate taste, and king salmon, also known as Chinook, is prized for its high fat content and buttery texture. Each type of salmon provides different culinary experiences, catering to diverse consumer preferences. The selection process begins at salmon farms or during wild catches in pristine waters. Farmed salmon must come from operations that adhere to strict sustainability and quality standards. These farms are chosen based on their ability to produce salmon in clean, well-maintained environments. Sustainable farming practices not only ensure the health and quality of the salmon, but also protect the surrounding ecosystems. Wild salmon, meanwhile, is sourced from regions known for their healthy fish populations and clean waters. These areas are carefully monitored to ensure that the fish are free from pollutants and contaminants. Inspectors play a crucial role in this selection process. They meticulously evaluate each batch of salmon, examining the fish for any defects, diseases, or contaminants. The inspectors check for signs of bruising, discoloration, and overall freshness. The fish must have a bright, clear appearance and firm texture, indicating that it is fresh and of high quality. Only the best salmon make it past this rigorous inspection to the next stage of production. The importance of this initial step cannot be overstated. The flavor, texture, and overall quality of the salmon products depend on starting with top-grade fish. A single misstep here can compromise the entire batch, leading to wasted resources and efforts. By choosing the right salmon, producers lay a solid foundation for creating high-quality products that consumers will enjoy. This careful and meticulous selection process ensures that the salmon used in production is of the highest standard, setting the stage for the next steps in processing, filleting, smoking, and packaging. Once the perfect salmon is selected, the critical process of harvesting begins. This stage is vital for maintaining the quality and freshness of the fish, which ultimately affects the final product that reaches consumers. The methods used for harvesting can vary depending on whether the salmon is farmed or wild-caught, but the primary goal remains the same: to handle the fish with care and precision to preserve its premium quality. For farmed salmon, the harvesting process starts with careful planning to minimize stress on the fish. Stress can significantly impact the meat's texture and flavor, making it essential to use humane harvesting methods. Typically, the fish are gently guided into harvesting pens using low-stress techniques. Once in the pens, the salmon are swiftly and efficiently harvested. Advanced technology and equipment are employed to ensure that the process is as quick and humane as possible. For instance, the use of automated systems can reduce handling time and minimize physical contact with the fish, further reducing stress levels. The harvested salmon are then immediately placed in ice-cold water. This rapid cooling is a crucial step as it halts the growth of bacteria and preserves the freshness of the fish. The cold temperature helps maintain the meat's integrity, ensuring it remains firm and flavorful. Ice-cold water immersion also slows down the fish's metabolic processes, which helps prevent the degradation of the meat. Wild salmon harvesting, on the other hand, involves sustainable fishing techniques that not only protect the ecosystem, but also ensure the capture of high-quality fish. These methods include line fishing, seine nets, and gill nets, each designed to reduce bycatch and minimize environmental impact. Sustainable practices are paramount in wild salmon harvesting to maintain fish populations and the health of marine environments. Upon capture, wild salmon are also quickly placed in ice-cold water, similar to farmed salmon. This rapid cooling is essential for the same reasons. It stops bacterial growth and preserves the fish's freshness and texture. Whether farmed or wild caught, the immediate transfer to ice-cold water is a standard practice to ensure that the fish remains in peak condition from the moment it leaves the water. Every step of the harvesting process, from the method of capture to the rapid cooling, is meticulously planned and executed. This careful planning is crucial to maintaining the high standards required for premium salmon products. The handling of the fish is continuously monitored to ensure that they are treated with the utmost care and efficiency. The harvested salmon are then transported in ice or refrigerated conditions to the processing facility. This transportation is another critical step where maintaining a consistent low temperature is vital. Any fluctuations can compromise the quality of the fish, which is why the logistics of transporting harvested salmon are meticulously coordinated. Proper harvesting techniques are essential for delivering a product that meets the high standards consumers expect. These methods ensure that the salmon remains fresh, flavorful, and of the highest quality by the time it reaches the processing facility. From the moment the salmon is selected for harvest to its arrival at the factory, every detail is managed with precision to uphold the integrity of the fish. By adhering to these stringent harvesting practices, producers can guarantee that their salmon retains its superior quality, providing consumers with a product that is both delicious and safe to eat. This dedication to excellence in the harvesting process is a fundamental aspect of producing high-quality salmon, ensuring that it remains a cherished item on dining tables around the world. After harvesting, the salmon is transported to the processing factory. This stage is critical in maintaining the fish's freshness and quality. The salmon is carefully packed in ice or transported in refrigerated trucks to keep it at a consistent, low temperature. This prevents the growth of harmful bacteria and ensures the salmon remains fresh. The logistics of transportation are meticulously planned to minimize transit time. Quick and efficient transportation is key, as prolonged exposure to warmer temperatures can degrade the fish's quality. Upon arrival at the factory, the salmon is immediately unloaded and moved into cold storage to maintain its temperature. This seamless transition from the water to the factory ensures that the salmon is in the best possible condition for processing. Every detail, from the type of ice used to the route taken by the trucks, is carefully considered to ensure the fish arrives in peak condition. This attention to detail during transportation is essential for maintaining the high standards required for top-quality salmon products. Upon arrival at the factory, the salmon undergoes initial processing and filleting. This step is where the fish begins its transformation into the familiar fillets and portions found in stores. The first step is to clean the salmon thoroughly, removing any remaining scales, slime, or contaminants. This is done using high-pressure water jets and manual cleaning to ensure the fish is spotless. Next, the salmon is filleted using a combination of skilled workers and advanced machinery. The fish is carefully cut into fillets, removing the head, tail, and bones. The filleting process requires precision to maximize yield and ensure each fillet is uniform in size and thickness. This consistency is important for both cooking and packaging. The fillets are then inspected for any remaining bones or imperfections. Any defects are trimmed away to ensure that only the highest quality fillets move forward. The fillets are then rinsed and placed on racks or trays, ready for the next stage. This meticulous processing and filleting ensure that the salmon is prepared perfectly for the smoking or other processing methods that will follow. Smoking is a pivotal stage in producing flavorful and rich-tasting salmon, offering two main methods: cold smoking and hot smoking. Cold smoking exposes the salmon to smoke at temperatures below 90 degrees Fahrenheit, imparting a delicate, smoky flavor without cooking the fish. This method results in a silky texture and is ideal for lox or similar products. Hot smoking, conversely, cooks the salmon as it smokes, producing a firmer texture and a robust smoky flavor. This method is perfect for creating a hearty, ready-to-eat product. The choice between cold and hot smoking depends on the desired final product. Once selected, the salmon is placed in smoking chambers where natural wood chips, such as hickory or alder, are used to generate the smoke. These wood choices are essential as they impart unique flavors to the fish. The smoking process is meticulously controlled, with precise adjustments to temperature and smoke intensity to ensure consistent results. The duration of smoking varies. Cold smoking can take several hours to even days, while hot smoking is typically shorter, lasting just a few hours. The time and intensity are carefully monitored to achieve the perfect balance of flavor and texture. This stage is crucial as it significantly enhances the salmon's taste while also acting as a preservative. Proper smoking requires expertise and precision. Each piece of salmon must be smoked uniformly to ensure consistent quality and flavor. After the smoking process, the salmon is allowed to cool gradually, which helps to set its texture and flavor before moving to the next stage of production. This careful and precise smoking process not only enriches the salmon's flavor, but also preserves its quality, ensuring that every piece meets high standards of taste and texture, ready to delight consumers. Once the salmon has been smoked to perfection, it moves to the slicing stage. This step is critical for creating uniform, easy-to-use portions. The salmon is carefully sliced into thin pieces, which are perfect for serving on their own or using in various recipes. Advanced slicing machines are used to ensure precision and consistency. These machines are capable of slicing the salmon to the desired thickness, maintaining uniformity across all slices. The slicing process is meticulously controlled to prevent tearing or damaging the delicate fish. Skilled workers oversee the slicing, making adjustments as needed to ensure each slice meets quality standards. The slices are then laid out on trays, ready for packaging. This stage not only makes the salmon convenient for consumers, but also enhances its presentation. Uniform slices are more visually appealing and easier to handle. Proper slicing is crucial for maintaining the salmon's texture and appearance, ensuring that it is ready for the final packaging stage. Packaging is the final stage before the salmon reaches consumers. This step is vital for preserving the quality and freshness of the product. The sliced salmon is carefully placed into packaging that protects it from contamination and spoilage. There are various packaging options, including vacuum-sealed packs and modified atmosphere packaging. Vacuum sealing removes air from the package, extending the shelf life and maintaining the salmon's freshness. Modified atmosphere packaging replaces the air with a mix of gases that slow down the spoilage process. Each package is labeled with important information such as the product name, weight, expiration date, and nutritional facts. Proper labeling is essential for ensuring traceability and providing consumers with the information they need. The packaging process is automated to ensure consistency and efficiency. Every package is inspected to make sure it is sealed correctly and free from defects. Proper packaging not only preserves the quality of the salmon, but also enhances its appeal to consumers. This final step ensures that the salmon reaches the store shelves in perfect condition, ready for purchase. Quality control is integral throughout the entire salmon production process, ensuring that every stage, from harvesting to packaging, meets the highest standards. Rigorous testing and inspection occur at each step to maintain consistency, flavor, texture, and safety. Advanced laboratory equipment is employed to test for pathogens, guaranteeing that the salmon is safe for consumption. Trained professionals conduct sensory evaluations, checking the salmon for flavor, texture, and appearance. These evaluations ensure that the product meets consumer expectations and maintains the brand's reputation for high quality. Maintaining these high standards is crucial, as any deviation can result in product recalls, financial losses, and damage to the brand's image. Producers implement comprehensive quality control measures to ensure each batch of salmon is safe, high quality, and delicious. This meticulous approach involves constant monitoring and testing to uphold these standards. Regular audits and inspections of the processing facilities are also conducted to maintain hygiene and prevent contamination. Every detail, from the initial selection of the salmon to the final packaging, is scrutinized to ensure that the product delivered to consumers is of the highest quality. This ongoing commitment to quality control guarantees that each piece of salmon is safe to eat and meets the high standards expected by consumers. By focusing on quality control throughout the production process, producers ensure that their salmon products are consistently excellent. This dedication not only protects consumer trust, but also enhances the brand's reputation for delivering top-quality salmon. Regular inspections, advanced testing, and sensory evaluations all contribute to a product that is both safe and enjoyable, ensuring that consumers receive a premium product every time. So, there you have it. The fascinating journey from pristine waters to the delicious salmon we all love. This process artfully combines traditional methods with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting how it's made stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.